In this video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your knowledge-based articles, categories, and tags in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to log into your HubSpot, and from in there, click on Service. And in here, you can see Knowledge Base. So proceed to click on this right here. So do take note that for this, you need to be subscribed to the Service Hub Professional of HubSpot. So to customize your actual knowledge base and organize it. You can organize it by managing your categories, by adding a new one or adding or editing existing ones. To organize your article, you can open an article and assign it to a specific category. You can also organize tags by adding tags to articles for better search and filtering. You can use sorting and filtering in knowledge base dashboard to manage articles efficiently. Once you're done, you can save your changes and publish the updates. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.